So here we go, we're on Dino Splash.
Yeah.
This is good fun, isn't it?
Yeah.
You looking forward to this, Cass?
Yeah.
So you've just been on the Dragon. How was that?
That's actually so good. It's like the one at Alton Towers apart from the dragon on the front.
Ah, was it like the one at Legoland?
No.
No, different from that?
Yeah.
Cool.
Going on Thursday.
Ah, so you see the track there for the Dragon as it goes intertwines with the Dino Splash here. I think they've got multiple drops here. I've not really seen much about it, so it looks like it should be quite good. There's one of the drops as it comes down there, which is good. We can go up here. There's one of the dinosaurs, looking massive. He is.
I've actually watched a video of this before.
You've watched a video of this?
Yeah.
Oh, is it good?
I don't know if it was this or not.
Oh, right. So we're going through a volcano now. All steaming volcano. It's cool, isn't it?
Water's just blowing inside.
Oh, looks like we're going to get a drop here now, Casper. Here we go. That's the level one to start us off. Whee!
I didn't know you get a splash on me.
Oh, that wasn't too bad, was it?
No.
That wasn't too bad at all. Don't mind that. The next one's the same as that. It'll do.
It is not.
There's the little one there going around it there. Jaws the T-Rex tried to get us there, didn't it?
That was the last one.
Yeah. So there's a dragon coaster coming round. There it is. Wave at the people on the dragon coaster. Hey. Yeah. Looks like this is the main drop we're going up to here. I think so. It looks quite big, doesn't it? Nice view out there, though. Look through the volcano there. Great view. See behind there, great view of Ride's Happiness going around there. Fantastic. Quite windy up here, isn't it? Oh, we're going into the volcano here. Oh, can you hear the sounds of the insects chirping? Right, I think we're going to get a main drop here now. What's a double drop?
I didn't get too bad wet.
Did you not?
No.
Oh,
That was not
drenched.
I thought that was not too bad.
That was good fun. Casper, what did you think of that then?
That was actually so nice.
Was that alright, that? It's cooled you down a bit? Yeah. That was nice, wasn't it? Lovely ride. That's Dino Splash. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Thumbs up. That'll do us. Great log flume.